This video quickly puts you through on how to hide your TikTok account from your contact. That's phone numbers you saved on your phone. Let's just get into it. First is to get to your TikTok app and tap on it. As the app opens, tap on your profile, which is at the bottom right in this case. Then once you get here, tap on the three lines at the top right. Then select Settings and Privacy. On tapping on Settings and Privacy, select Privacy. Now, in this Privacy section, you will see Suggest Account to Others. Suggest your account to others. Tap there. Then you can see Contacts is toggled on, alright, is made active. So tap on that button for it to be toggled off. And with this, the contacts you have on your phone will stop seeing you as somebody they may know.